Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2025 XE thermodynamics paper. Question number 97 is for an ideal gas turbine T1 and T3 are the compressor inlet temperature and turbine inlet temperature respectively. The ratio T3 by T1 is denoted by small t and the ratio of specific heat is denoted by gamma. For any given small t, the optimum pressure ratio for the maximum specific work output is option A T raised to power 2 by gamma minus 1, option B T raised to power gamma by 2 bracket rate gamma minus 1 bracket close, option C T raised to power gamma by gamma minus 1, option D T raised to power gamma minus 1 by gamma. Okay. So now for this is your ideal gas turbine cycle. 1 2 is compressor, 2 3 is your combustion chamber, 3 4 is turbine. So for maximum specific output work output, the temperature exiting the compressor, that is T2, and temperature exiting the turbine should be equal. So that is the condition for maximum specific work output, that is T2 is equal to T4. Okay. So now this 1 2 process is isentropic process, 3 4 is also isentropic process, and the pressure ratio across compressor and across turbine is same, so we can write isentropic relation as T3 by T4 or T2 by T1 is equal to R gamma R is power gamma minus 1 by gamma, where R is your pressure ratio. Okay. So now if we take this T3 by T4 and multiply it and divide it by T1 and T1, and then the equation will become like this: T3 by T4 into T1 by T1 is equal to R equal gamma minus 1 by gamma. So now this T4 is written as T2 because we are assuming that for maximum specific output T4 is equal to T2. Okay. So we write this T4 as T2. So now we can take this T1 here, it will be T3 by T1, and take this T2 here, so that is will be T2 by T1. And now this T2 by T1 can be taken as here. So T3 by T1 is equal to R raised to power 2 bracket gamma minus 1 by gamma, because this is also same thing, and if we multiply it here, it will be square of it. Okay. So now T3 by T1 is small t, and from that we can get R is equal to T raised power gamma by 2 bracket gamma minus 1, and this is for maximum specific output because we have taken T2 is equal to T4. So answer is option B.